Embarking on a new career in AI is thrilling and can lead to endless opportunities. Buckle up and follow this roadmap to start your journey towards becoming an AI master. 1. Get your educational foundations strong. Master the prerequisites for AI, including linear algebra, probability, statistics, and calculus in mathematics, and learn Python programming to work with popular libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Understand the ins and outs of data structures and algorithms for efficient problem solving. 2. Dive into online courses and tutorials. The internet is a goldmine of information. Learn the basics of programming and advanced AI topics from websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity. Don't miss Google's AI Education, Fast.ai, or Stanford's online machine learning course, which are highly recommended. 3. Get your hands dirty with practice. Nothing beats hands-on experience. Work on projects using real-world datasets from Kaggle or the UCI machine learning repository. Implement algorithms from scratch to understand the inner workings. 4. Network with fellow AI enthusiasts. Join online AI and machine learning communities, e.g., LinkedIn groups, Reddit's ML community, or Stack Overflow. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences to connect with professionals and learn about the latest in AI. 5. Consider advanced education and specialization. If you're ambitious, pursue a master's degree or online certifications in deep learning, computer vision, or natural language processing. Specialize in a niche that aligns with your interests and career goals, such as healthcare, finance, or autonomous vehicles. 6. Keep up with the latest trends. Don't let your skills lag. Follow AI news and developments through blogs, podcasts, and journals. Stay ahead by regularly updating your skills as new tools and techniques emerge. Are you ready to take the first step toward an exciting and rewarding career in AI? Let's do this.